Thank you for joining us today. We're so excited to introduce our JAFRA Beauty Advanced Silk Moisturizing Serum Foundation with a formula that blends the power of skincare with flawless coverage. My name is Elizabeth Villegas. I'm your JAFRA Beauty Pro. And today, joining me in this great training, I also have my friend, colleague, and JAFRA Beauty Pro, Monica Barrera. Hi, Moni, how are you?
Hi, Elizabeth, and hi, JAFRA beauties and JAFRA fans. So today, if you want the no makeup look, then you have to try the serum foundation that applies like a serum, delivering a natural, even finish with that radiant post-facial glow. It's made with hyaluronic acid, and this formula glides on like a serum to provide the ideal combination of coverage, hydration, and sun protector. Who doesn't love that in their makeup routine, right, Ellie?
I love this. This is a great combination that also leaves our skin radiant and luminous. And who doesn't like that, right, Moni?
I do, so I can't wait to try it.
Thank you so much, Moni. And today we're going to start this training with this question. Want the look of a supermodel skin? Well, if you want to achieve this with our lightweight makeup that combines the benefits of a moisturizing serum with an advanced formula that enhances your skin's luminosity while providing broad spectrum SPF 15 protection. This product is infused with a hyaluronic acid derivative, one of the beauty world's most coveted ingredients, because it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
And also, Ellie, what I want to share about this foundation is that it's going to enhance your beauty with light to medium coverage and the benefits of moisturizing serum, this foundation. It's formulated, like you said, to glide onto your skin, blurring the look of fine lines and imperfection for a no makeup look and natural, even finish. And what I like about this one, I know I said I can't wait to try it, but I'm just going to share with you guys. I've been using it for a couple of months already. And what I love about this foundation is that it's buildable and you can start with a thin layer and then you can, start blending it in either with your brush or with a beauty blender, even with your fingers. And then you can add more product until you achieve that desired look. And Ellie, let's share what are the benefits of using a serum foundation.
Of course, Moni, we're going to share right now some of the benefits of using the Serum Foundation. First of all, that it's lightweight and breathable coverage. Serum foundations are formulated to feel light on the skin, allowing it to breathe while offering a natural, your skin but better finish.
And also, it's one the other benefit is hydration and moisture. The serum, like this formulation, provides both hydration and moisture, making it ideal for dry or dehydrated skin type.
Also, Moni, we have skincare benefits. Many serum foundations contain skincare ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, peptides, or antioxidants, which help with hydration, anti-aging, and improving skin texture.
And one of those ingredients, Ellie, they can find it in this foundation, which is the hyaluronic acid. So thank you so much for sharing. And the other benefit that we want to share with you guys is that it's easy to blend and apply. Their lightweight fluid texture makes it easy to blend and apply, resulting in a seamless, natural looking finish. And Ellie, why or what makes this formula a must have in your makeup bag?
Of course, Moni, we love this. First of all, because it has a silky formula. You can experience the soft, smooth texture and lightweight, comfortable feel of the formula on your skin. And also buildable coverage. Achieve a no makeup look with a light to medium coverage and a natural, even finish on your skin. So definitely this product is going to help you glow.
And the other one that it's going to make you want to have this in your makeup collection, it's a three-in-one product. It gets coverage, hydration, and SPF 15, which is very important. And all of those three things, you can find it in one product. The other one is that it's a very versatile color palette. You can choose from 9 shades to find your perfect match. And now Ellie's going to share with us a little bit more about the different shades available to our JAFRA fans.
Of course, Moni, we have 9 shades available: natural, hibiscus, suntan, caramel, almond, cappuccino, earth, and rich cocoa. So definitely different shades that you can find your perfect match. And remember why you're going to love this amazing product. First of all, because it glides on like a silky serum. It also hydrates with our key ingredient, hyaluronic acid. It also helps visibly diminish fine lines. And lastly, it leaves a radiant natural finish.
Thank you, Ellie. And now we want to share with our JAFRA fans how to achieve a natural, no makeup look that enhance your JAFRA beauty. And sometimes we might think, oh, well, we know how to use foundation, but this one, we just want to give you like some tips on how to use it so you love these foundations as much as I do. So first one, we want to recommend that you shake this bottle well before you start applying. And what's the second step, Ellie?
Our second step, Moni, is using a small amount of foundation onto the back of your hand or makeup palette using a brush, sponge, or clean fingertips. Apply the foundation to your face with gentle upward strokes, concentrating on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin.
And the third step is that you blend the foundation outwards to ensure even coverage and a natural finish, creating a seamless transition between your face and neck. So very important that we bring that foundation down. And
I
what's the
love
fourth
this.
one?
Our fourth step is allow the foundation to dry completely before applying any additional makeup products.
And last is that you are going to enjoy that hydration benefit. Don't forget to take a selfie after you finish your makeup and share that in your social media. And Ellie, we did some consumer participants, to report how much they love these foundations. So why not you share some of these?
Of course, Moni. Well, some of our participants, 9 out of 10 participants, notice fewer lines on their skin after 2 weeks of use. Also, 9 out of 10 agreed their skin looked more youthful after 2 weeks of use. They also experienced full coverage of spots and imperfections after first use, and they reported that the product's color coverage lasted 8 hours or longer.
So the more we use the product, the more we're gonna see, those results that we want to see in our makeup routine. Also, participants, they notice improvement after 2 weeks of use. They observe a more youthful appearance in their skin after 2 weeks of use. They also experience full coverage of spots and imperfections after the first use. And 90% started the product color coverage lasted 8 hours or longer. So are you ready to try these new advanced silk moisturizing serum foundation?
Yes, we do, right, Moni?
Yes, I
Thank
can't wait for you guys to try it, to hear your comments on how much you love it. And thank you, Ellie, so much for joining us today and sharing this product information with our JAFRA fans.
Thank you, JAFRA fans. Now we share with you the secret to a no makeup look.
Bye, everyone.